What is up, guys? We are back with another video. In this video I'll be installing my project rear diffuser for the 350Z. It comes with that third brake light, that's why I bought it. This is very similar to the top secret style version, but just without the brake light. This will come up a lot higher on the car. Whenever I get it mocked up and everything, I'll show you guys what that looks like. So let's go ahead and get it started. Alright, this is it mocked up. I know it's a little crooked on this side because on the bottom side, under the tome, it's hitting really bad, so I'm going to have to like cut out that little section there. Really don't want to, but it's something that we got to do to make this little pretty boy fit. So let's go ahead and mark it out and then cut it, and I'll get back. I'm scared. Alrighties, guys, so I have a pretty big update. Couldn't get a lot of work done in the past couple days, but let me turn this autofocus off. So I pretty much have the rear diffuser mounted where I think I want it to be. It's not 100% perfect, but my left turn signal down here, it was like loose. I don't know what happened, but I found out that one of the bracket side pieces was broken off, so I need to super glue that back together. I did compound and polish the lenses and then switch it over to LED. I will get an example of what that looks like later on, but got the bumper off. I got to switch out my tome with the other tome I bought. I'm not sure if I told you guys that, so I can sell this one to a buddy. And then I'll put the autofocus on. The license plate lights, I took those out. I'm gonna clean those. They are right here. I will probably be doing like a before and after thing if it'll focus. These look just nasty, so I'm gonna compound and polish those or something. I was thinking about tinting. So I have one LED light in here with the resistor, and I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but it worked. No hyper flashing. They look kind of clean. I was gonna try to open these up and like paint the inside black. That way it kind of gives like that smoky look. I may just tint it with like smoke tint, like I did with my Camry. So this is like kind of tinted. It's like really subtle, but it looks nice. So I got the brackets on. The bumper, they're not perfect. Jeez, man, like they are not perfect at all. And then these are from my old diffuser. Damn, this is the noisiest lens ever. I'm gonna put the sequential brake lights in. I have that. Where did it go? Oh no. Oh, right here. So these are the sequential brake light things where if you press the brake it'll like flash 3 or 4 times and then do like a full color, and then I'll give you an update after that. Bye. Alright, here is a before and after type deal. Of course this side is the after, this one is what it looked like before. I just used this little plastic brush just to brush off all that stuff. This towel wasn't even working, so I had to use something a little bit more harsher that didn't cut through it. So hopefully these will shine a little brighter, because this already has like little baby LEDs in there. So that's just update on these. Ooh, look at that shot. Ooh, that shot's. Ooh. Alright, see you guys next update. Alright, we are back with another update. So now I'm just going to be painting this a flat gloss black, or just a gloss black with the hardware over there. So that way whenever it's on the car you won't see the shiny hardware, and it'll just be like a nice like a gloss black, because this fiberglass material, like you scratch it, it looks really bad. So prepare for it to be noisy, because look, see, so I pretty much wiped everything down with a towel, and then we should be ready for paint. So I'll get you guys back whenever it's done with the paint. Alright, so I got the side pieces painted as well, and I painted a little bit of the hardware. Will that focus on it? Because I've seen a lot of people's rear diffusers where they keep the bolts like silver, and I really don't have anything silver on my car, so I just wanted to blend in with everything. Same with that. I got that nicely painted. We'll see how that looks. I have to let that dry for a couple hours. I think I used the wrong paint, so this is gonna be fun. But I think they turned out pretty decent. So whenever that dries up, I'll probably mock the holes, because I haven't drilled the holes on that one yet, because I wasn't sure if I even wanted to run it. And oh, yeah, these wheels are off, so you guys will see which wheels I have on now. And then I retouched up my calipers with the ocean mist. Man, I guess this is what I painted my calipers, ocean mist. And so like I just spray painted this into like a little cup, and then I just used a Q-tip to try to touch it up. Didn't turn out good. So we will see. Maybe it looks good from far away, but once you get closer, you're like, what the hell? Because it's not even the same color. I'll show you after I get done with everything. That way I can reveal the wheels too. So I'm gonna try to finish up wiring right now. I guess you can't really see. So I'm gonna finish wiring. Let me just manual focus this. Oh, there we go. So, oh, my buddy's here. Alright guys, we are back. So now, I know I skipped a lot of parts, but I finally got the rear diffuser on, and we're gonna check it out right now. Can't really see that much. Oh, let me change the settings. There you go. So it took me maybe like 3 days or so, because I was just kind of getting frustrated with it. Hopefully you can hear everything with the wind. I got the dead cat on, and hopefully you can hear me. So in a bit I'll show you what it looks like with the lights turned on, but I want to show you what else I got. So I put on my other wheels. These are my work VSXs. Gosh, not good with this camera stuff. But this is pretty much my ride height. Again, sometimes I try to ride a little lower than that, but the front rubs again, just like the Volks. But these are 19 by 9.5 in the front, plus 6 from what I measured. But since they don't clear my Akibonos, I have to put a 5mm spacer, so it's a plus 1 essentially. And then the rears is a 19 by 11 plus 13 with a 5mm as well, because they don't clear either. Has a pretty fat lip in the back. Here you go. And then let's just check it out, what it looks like aired out. Okay, let's see the front. Yeah, it doesn't even go down that much. But that's it. I think the black on gray thing looks pretty good. I'm going to be taking a couple pictures here too, because this is like one of my favorite spots ever since my friend showed me. Look at all that. Look at such a big runway. I'll do another walk around. So this is the only thing I changed, is the rear diffuser and wheels. I've had these wheels for quite some time. Nothing's really changed. Oh, and then my Halloween emblem. Yay, cute guy. Just to have it out there. And then I'll show you, I'll turn the light on. You can see the brake light. It is super windy. Every time I come up here, it's like super windy. Hopefully you can see this. Boom. That's with the light on. Oh, come on. It's pretty much, there's like a bracket in here. Oh gosh. Can you see that little bracket right there? So the bracket bolts up to your bumper, and then you have to drill a hole in the diffuser. And then I did the side splats, or whatever you want to call them. I was debating on whether or not to do it, but my friend said just do it, so I did it. And then there's, you can see it's not perfect, but there's like a little bracket here, and there's another one on this side, but this side fits a little better. I painted all the screws black, so you can't really see it from far away. And that's pretty much it. And then you saw the cutting. I do a lot of the cutting. But that's it for this video, pretty much. Oh, and then oh gosh, I wish I had my tripod. I'll get my tripod right now. So what I did is I have the brake light flashing module for the 2 brake lights and this one right here. I switched out my turn signals for LEDs and my reverse lights for LEDs as well. So let me get my tripod and I'll show you guys that right now. Alright, got the tripod set up. I'm gonna go ahead and press the brakes, and then I will show you what the turn signals look like and the reverse lights, because now they're all LED. Alright guys, so that's it. Hopefully you can still hear me. I will provide the link below to this rear diffuser. He's out, the guy that makes it, he's out in Poland. Really nice guy. And then I'll also link up the third brake light as well. It's just an Amazon thing. And look at that little bug. A little bug right there. Huh. Let me know what you guys think of the rear diffuser. So pretty, right? And then let me know what you think about my wheels with this gray and black combo. I'm trying to get a couple more things, but I don't want to tell you guys, so just stay tuned. I will try to keep everything as updated as I can on my YouTube channel. And oh, if you don't follow me already, I had my niece make a little Instagram sticker for me. It's not the best, I gotta redo it, but it's there, and I've gotten spotted a couple times already. So I was like, dang, that shit actually does work. So if you haven't followed me already on Instagram or YouTube, you know, subscribe or give me a follow on Instagram, and I'll keep on trying to bring out videos like this to you guys. So, alright, see you guys in the next video. Bye, love you.